Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to make the sales transaction entry in Tally Prime 4.0. So first we will understand what will be the sales entry. So sales entry will be party account debit. Why? Because the person who is getting benefit is required to be debited as per the personal account rule. Then sales account is going to be accredited. Why? Because sales is the revenue account and whatever the revenue or the income you will get in your business is required to be credited as per the nominal account rule. And next one is the GST payable account is required to be credited. Why? Because GST is our liability. Whatever you are collecting from your customer in the form of GST is required to be deposited with the government within the prescribed due date. So GST is your liability. So GST account is required to be credited here. So what will be the entry? Party account debit to sales account to GST payable account. Now we will make the entry for our sale transaction number 1. So what is the transaction? Rupees 1 lakh goods sold to Mr. X on which 5% GST applied, that is 2.5% CGST and 2.5% SGST. So what is the total value? 1 lakh 5,000. So what will be the entry? Now we will make entry in our Tally Prime. So from gateway of Tally I will select the voucher. Here by default sale transaction is open. If it is not open, you can select from here sale transaction. Here you will have to write down your bill number. You have to write down here the date. Now we will make the transaction entry. What is the transaction? Goods sold to Mr. X. So X account is debited, party account is debited. So X account is debited with total value including GST. So what will be the total value? 1 lakh plus GST, that is 1 lakh 5,000. Next is the sales account is going to be credited. Sales account is going to be credited with basic value without GST. So what is the basic value? Rupees 1 lakh. Then what will be the GST, CGST and SGST? 2.5%. So I am selecting here CGST 2.5%, that is 2500, and SGST, that is 2500, and press enter till the last. My entry will be done. Now I will do the entry for the second transaction. Rupees 2 lakh goods sold to XY on which IGST 18% is applicable. So what is the total transaction value? 2,36,000, that is 2 lakh plus 18% GST. So what will be the entry? XY is getting benefit from our business. So XY account will be debited. So here I will make the debit to XY account with the total value including GST. Then I will make the credit sales account with the basic value without GST. What is the basic value without GST? Rupees 2 lakh. Then I will make the credit to the GST payable. What is the GST payable? IGST is required to be paid 18%. So only GST element is required to be credited here, and press enter till the last. Your entry will be done. So in this way you can make entry for your sale transaction in Tally Prime 4.0. Thank you.